Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Today we're going to research and continue our study on magnets. And today we're going to inquire or ask questions about the North and South poles. So if you could find two magnets maybe on your fridge, that would help us with this. And you're going to use the two magnets to test the North and South poles. So I want to ask this question for yourself. What do you want to learn about your investigation? Do you want to learn what attracts, what repels, what it sticks to? Go ahead and write that on this line. And then after that, you're going to carry out an investigation. So you're going to record your data and mark arrows if the magnets come together or attract, or put the arrows in opposite directions if they repel. Next, I want you to communicate or draw a picture of the two magnets that attracted, and then draw a picture of two magnets that repelled. And if you could label your pictures, that would be great. Then you're going to come down here to compare and contrast, and you're going to fill in the blanks and tell me what poles that are not alike on the magnets and which two are alike. And that's it for today. Have a great weekend.